uh, we are on the third part of this video, and we are actually going to set up, okay, we are going to set up the settings for this new website. Okay, already we have our website domain name, which is already created, which is login with keyword.tk. So we have to link it to our cpanel. You can see it here. This is our cpanel. We need to link it up together so that they can, okay, the domain can take the details from this cpanel or from your hosting and then show up what is in that hosting to your viewers, your audience, and then more. Okay, so first of all, this is what we are going to do. I'll just refresh the cpanel, okay, so that everything will work out, because I've seen that the API request field we are following error. So let's do it. Now, whenever your page shows up like this, okay, in fact, whenever you buy from Bluehost, as I said, they'll give you a page like this. In fact, you enter with your username, which I have here, and then your password. Whenever you log in, you will see something like this. You see something like this. We have the files here. Whenever you click on the file menu, it shows all that you have on your hosting. The disk usage shows how many percentage of the disk you've used. The FTP connection shows how you can actually connect with this hosting and then transfer files to this hosting. You can take, or we take how can I say this? We'll take care of all these things in our later videos, okay, so that you get to know how you can actually do them. Then we have our backup wizard. The backup wizard stores or it saves your website. In case it crashes down, you come here and pick it up. You have the backup as well, jet backup. There are all kinds of backups. Then we have the web disk, which also shows the disk that you have, directory, privacy, images, and all these things. Then when you have here, you have the full account backup. It backups everything. Database backups, it backups your database as well. Then email backups here. Whenever you come here, you have the PHP my admin. Okay, PHP my admin are also a language. Okay, just come here, then you set things up here. Okay, you have my SQL. This is also about database and a lot more. Then when it comes to SEO and marketing tools, you can actually do more here. But I normally don't use this part. I don't normally use this part. But they are good resources that the website cpanel offers you. Okay. Now we have our website. So you can go down and you can see a lot of things here. Okay. You can take your time and go through. Okay. Now, the first thing you need to do is to set up the domain and create the folder for your new website. Okay, the folder is where everything will be inserted. So you have to come and set it up from here. We have a new domain. We are connecting a new domain. So you come and click here. Okay. Yes. You click here. Then you are going to use this interface to manage your domains. So this is what you are going to do. You can see from here that I have different domains on this. Okay. You can see from here that I have forum.tk and all these things. Though some are not working, I'm actually working on them. So we have the longwithghana.tk from here. You can see the main here, .com.tk. Then let's get here. I want to set up a new one. So you will come back to create a new domain. Create a new domain. The domain is already created. So we want to set up the file here, everything here. So you can see from here, yes, home stroke this. Though I'll come there. Okay, share document root with this. But let me go first here. You first need to enter the domain that you would like to create. So this is where you are going to enter it. You can forget the HTTP/ and all those things. You just write it here as login with keyword.tk. You can see from here. Now they are asking you to share the file system location. Where do you want to actually save it? Okay, and you can see from here it says share document root with the home. Whenever you log in, it's the home. My account is .com word .com, okay, then slash public, okay, so it will be in the public HTML. You understand now? It will be in the public HTML, which is already nice, okay, though it will appear within this. But if I don't want to, I will take it like this. So it will be in the public HTML slash login with hero.tk. It will be a separate file. It won't be within this website. When I use this website, these details will be within this. So I always take this off, and I want it to stand alone as blogging with keyword.tk. Okay, though I don't want this way, but you need an add-on domain, okay, in order to use a separate document in which you understand. Yes, this one won't show up. You won't need this. Always this one will show. But if I wanted to use it this way, I could have go this way straightforward. Okay. But if you take it off, you will need to create a subdomain, and it will be done automatically for you. Okay. So let's go. I will submit. I don't want to create another one, and it will take a moment to create a new domain. Okay. Now this is what is happening. This domain will actually check if it is linked somewhere. Okay. Yes, you can see from here you have successfully created a new blogging with keyword.tk domain with a document root of this. You can see it here, and it's amazing. Whenever you do it this way, it will first check if it is linked with a domain before it can approve it. Okay, so whenever you copy it, for the moment we don't have anything hosted here, so we have to go back and host something in it, so that when we click on this link, we can see what is in it. Yes, so that we can see what is in it. You understand now? We don't have anything in it. We haven't installed any CMS on it. We don't have anything in it. So whenever you click on it, you won't get anything shown. Let's do some example here. Login with keyword.tk. Go. You see that it won't show you anything because you haven't installed anything. There is no term, there is nothing in it for now. Okay. Though it will find out that it's a website. You can see it's forbidden. You don't have permission to access it. There is no error document to handle the record. So we are going to put in what people want to see. Okay. Now the best CMS you can go with is WordPress. So what do? You go back to the menus. Okay. You go back to the menus and then set up our website. So we will go back. We found to find a script. Okay, we are going to find a script. Now, what script do you want to go with? So here, it's simple. Simple. We have softwares and everything here, but we have to go with what do we call it? I saw something like, yes, Softaculious Apps Installer. Okay, Softaculious Apps Installer. Now we want to go with WordPress, which is a script you can see over here. So click on it. Okay, we want to go with WordPress, so click on it. Whenever you click on it, it will start loading, and you can see from here. So WordPress is a web software you can use to create beautiful website or a blog. So we like to say that WordPress is both free and priceless at the same time. In fact, when you read more about it, you can see that it is nice to have it. And you can see from here that I have a lot of websites over here created with WordPress. You can see. So what we do now is we're going to install. And when you want to install it, they will ask you to first choose the version you want to install, which is here. Okay, I want the latest version, so which is 5.4. Now choose installation URL. Okay, the HTTPS has not already been used with this one, but I will go with Z as well because I can purchase SSL for it. Okay, then come and change which website do you want to use it for. So it's blogging with keyword.tk. You have to find that one, not this one. Blogging with keyword.tk. That is your domain. Okay. Now here we are going to change certain things about this website. So you can see that a trusted SSL certificate was not found. Well, I can decide to go with this. Now, so let's say that I'll write here, this is the site name. So login with keyword. It's simple as that. Then the site description, you can actually say something about it. So learn how to blog with keyword. Something simple like that. So when a person read the description, you get to know that, hey, this thing is about blogging. Okay. Now, this is the admin password and this is the admin email address. This is created automatically. Okay. Yes. This is the admin and you need this to log into your account. Most of the times I change them to something I can remember and must be strong too. So let's make it like John 2007 at 123. So something like that. Okay. Yes. For the username, okay, this is my password. This is for the username. Let me use keyword. Okay. Simple as that. So I know my keyword is my username and this is my password. Then kindly write it somewhere, because if you don't write it somewhere and it gets lost, you have to pass through some other things, another ways to get it back. Okay. So 2007, the at is 3. When you are done, select the language. It's English. Okay. Now limit login attempt, which is this is a plugin. Okay, and I like it very much. It helps you, or it helps you or your website not to have some other people log in. So they have some number of attempts. When they try it, it's like it will stop those people from going with it. Then you can even add the classic editor. Okay, editor. But I like the blog one, so I don't normally activate this one. You understand? But if you want a classic editor, you can go with it. You can change it in the settings as well. Now, I would like you to select one of this, or you can manage your team. Okay, the team. So let me do it this way. Whenever I install it, WordPress will install the 2020 term. Okay. Though, if you want to receive installation details, you can send it here. So let me install it. It will take just some few minutes. Just look at it. Just some few minutes, you have it done. Few minutes. So you don't need to leave the page. Now you can see, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. WordPress has been successfully installed at login. Okay, login with keyword.tk. And then this is your administrative URL. Okay. Yes. So you just need to copy this one. Okay. You can tweet it if you want, but it's not important. Okay. Now that you've installed everything on your website, get to know what is really happening in your website. So let me first remove this, because this is now. Let's get here. I want to see what is the difference now. Okay. What is the difference now? You can see it. You can see it. So you can see the first one wasn't showing anything. When we installed the software, now we can